May sabay. Hold your partner.
Sabay.
Request. Come on, dance sexy.
Jay nag-request dito, agbayad ti 10 pesos. Joke lang. It's late in the evening, just wondering what clothes to wear. She puts on her makeup and brushes her long blonde hair. And then she asked me, do you feel alright? And I say yes, you look wonderful tonight. We go to a party and everyone turns to see this beautiful lady that's walking around with me. And then I tell her, you feel alright? And I say yes, you look wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful, I feel wonderful, because I've seen the love lights in your eyes. And I wonder of it all, it's that you just don't realize how much I love you. It's time to go home now, it's time. I've got an aching head, so I give her the car keys and she helps me to bed. And then I tell her, as I turn out the light, and I say, my darling, you are wonderful tonight. Oh, my darling, you look wonderful tonight.